Hey guys, welcome to a new video here on Phloshop. My name is Joseph. In today's video, I'm taking you on a behind the scenes with me where I shoot my model in a swimwear using natural light. At the end of the video, I'll be leaving some raw images straight at the camera for you to look at, and if you enjoy it and want to retouch it, I'll be showing you how you can get the files to retouch as well. We partnered with a hotel called The Palms at Pram to bring you this video. If you want to get away from the noise in the city, this is a pretty cool place to hang out. Because I wanted to have a very soft look in the images, we waited till the sun went down before shooting. This allowed me to shoot at f1.2 considering I shoot with a Canon 6D and my maximum shutter speed is 1/4000. This is also my first time testing out the Canon 50mm 1.2 lens, and I must say I'm pretty impressed with the quality of the glass. I had my assistant add some sheen to the model by spraying her with sheen spray, and then we started shooting at around 5:30 p.m. At this time is when the sun is really colorful by being warm or golden on one side and very blue on the opposite side. This meant my model would have a very bronzed skin tone if I made her face the sun, and my entire scene would have a very warm color cast to it, some complementary blue tones in the sky. I shot this way because I wanted to capture as much of the natural occurring colors as possible, knowing that I could adjust the temperature later in post if I wanted to. Considering the kind of colorful colors that were going to be present in the scene, we chose a colorful bikini for the model to wear just so there's a pop of color to freshen up the scene and add a little bit of vibrance. I made the model face the sun when shooting, and this gave a very dramatic type of lighting on her, and the sheen made her skin pick up a fair amount of glow that wouldn't have been possible to get at this late hour that we were shooting at. We also wanted to shoot along the beach, but the water had risen just too high to the shores and we were scared to get close to it considering how good a swimmer I am. So we limited the shoot to just where the rocks were, and I hope you enjoy the images from them. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or contributions, or simply like the video if you would like to see more content like this. So I literally spent 2 minutes shooting because I already had a fair idea of what I wanted. I shot her standing in front of some rocks for the first set of images, then I moved a little bit to my left and shot from a lower angle so I could get a bit more of the sky and the wooden structure behind her. In the next set, I made her find a comfortable space to lie on the rocks, and then we grabbed a few frames from there. In the last set, I just moved a few inches from the rocks as well, and then I grabbed a few stills, also shooting her whilst facing the sun. If you will want me to retouch these images, leave a comment about that below, and when I record that tutorial, I'll add some images for you to download and follow along. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a like as this helps us create more content. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already, because subscribing is free and it helps me a ton. Also hit the like button if you enjoyed the video as it tells me you're interested in my content. Turn on post notifications to be notified of my new videos to keep this community alive. I'm leaving some images here for you to look at. These are raw images untouched straight at the camera, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.